Right guys, welcome back. We're going to start looking at multiplying whole numbers today, so let's get back into the routine of things. I've given you two questions there and I'm going to show you the method. You will have learned this method in lesson today, however I want to show you it just to make sure we've got a full understanding. So 56 times 13, the way we're going to set it out, we're going to have 50 and 6 along the top, okay? Draw the line there, I'm going to put the times sign there so we don't forget, and I'm going to put 10 and 3. All I'm doing at this point, okay, is I am separating 50 and 6, okay, 56 into 50 and 6, 13 into 10 and 3. That's all I'm doing at the minute. And we're going to work out the individual sums and we're going to add up at the end. So we've got 10 times 50, which is 500. 10 times 6, which is 60. 3 times 50, which is 150. And 3 times 6 is 18. If you get a little bit stuck, okay, you could do, for example, if you get stuck on 50 times 10, you could do 1 times 5. We should all be able to figure out what 1 times 5 is, which is 5. We've then got 2 zeros there, so we need 2 zeros there. Okay? So what we're going to do then, we're going to add up each row. So we got 500 plus 60, which is 560. We've got 150 plus 18, so that's 168. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add them together. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the 2 there for 12, and we're going to carry the 1 across. Okay? We've got 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 56 times 13 is 728. Okay? Let's look at the second one now. Okay? Slightly more difficult because we've got a 3-digit number there and a 3-digit number there. But it works in exactly the same way. And this is how I want everyone to treat it. Okay? So 879, we've got 870 and 9. Okay? Times so we don't forget, and then we can draw the grid out. Okay? And then we've got 300, so we're going to split up 352, 50 and 2. Okay, and then we're going to work out each individual multiplication. So first things first, we've got 300 times 800. Now that's quite a difficult sum. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 3 times 8 to start off with. 3 times 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So 3 times 8, 24. We've then got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so we have to have 4 zeros in our answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So the answer to that is 240,000. 300 times 70, we've got 3 times 7, which is 21. And then we've got 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3. And then 300 times 9, we'll do 3 times 9, which is 27, and add 2 zeros on the end. That's the first row done. Okay? If you want to have a go at the second one on your own, pause the video. Okay? If you're not sure, I'll go through it now. So we've got 50 times 800. So we do 5 times 8, which is 40. Then we've got 3 zeros after it. We've got 1 there, 2, 3. So that means we need 3 zeros here. Okay? 5 times 7 is 35. We've got 2 zeros. We need 2 zeros in our answer. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay? 1 0 because there's no 0 there. Okay? So what I'm doing is splitting that. We've got 5 times 9, add the 0 on the end. We've got 5 times 7, add 2 zeros on the end. Okay? 2 times 800, well 2 times 8 is 16. We've got 2 zeros there, no zeros there, so we're going to add on 2 zeros there. 2 times 70, we'll do 2 times 7 first, which is 14. Add on the 0, there's no 0 there. There's 140. 2 times 9, 18. So we get to that point there. Okay? What did I say we had to do next? We're going to have to add. Okay? So we're going to add up all these, so we get 2, 6, 3, 7, 0, 0, 263,700 for the top row. We get 4, 3, 9, 5, 0 there. Okay, and then we get 1, 7, 5, 8. Okay, now I've made a slight mistake there. Okay, well, not a mistake, just the way I've set out isn't quite correct. Okay, what you should do, the units should line up, the 10 should line up, the 100 should line up, the 1,000 should line up, the tens of thousands should line up, just to make it easier for adding up. Okay, so you need to be careful on that. So we've got 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. We've got 0 plus 5 plus 5 is 10, so the 0 stays there, the 1 gets carried to the next column. We've got 7 plus 9, which is 16, plus 7 is 23, plus 1 is 24. So we're going to carry the 2 across. We've got 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Okay, we've got 6 plus 4, which is 10, carry the 1, and we've got 2 plus 1, which is 3. So our answer is 309,408. Now they are quite hard numbers, however, the method is exactly the same. So if you can do this competently, I'm quite happy at the minute. Okay, if you get stuck on this, bring it to me and let me have a look. Okay, if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day, guys.